Seagull Island, dead ahead, sir. All right, so we're headed that way, and we're gonna switch to the chest mount to see how that goes. To see what kind of perspective we get from the chest mount by Same Top. All right, here we go. I'll put the link below. Ciao. All right, so who knew there'd be action here? That's pretty cool. I was also happy to see vehicles on the ice because then I felt pretty safe. There's a sweet log. This must be a place where people come and chill out. In the summertime, I'm having trouble seeing them with my sunglasses. I think we're going to switch to the GoPro grip to get a little tour of the island. I think it'd be the best way to do that. So ciao. All right, now we're on the GoPro grip, so let's give this a whirl. We're on the island for a little tour. We made it to Seagull Island.